talk about how to discover Discord servers. If you're trying to look at the various servers that are available on Discord, you can just head over to the discovery section, which you'll be able to see on the left hand side of the screen. If you click on this icon right here, you can just click on it and make sure that the server is selected. Now on the top, you can see a bunch of categories that you can go into and take a look at all of these servers that are available. If you know the name of a particular server, you can also search for it on the top of the search bar. In order for you to add in a particular server, you can just select a server that you're trying to add in, and then you'll be able to click on the join option on the top. You have now successfully joined a server to the discovery section. So you can repeat this process if you're trying to join other servers as well. You can just head over to a particular server that you're trying to join and then click on the join option on the top. So that's all there is for this video. That was a quick tutorial on the way that you can join or discover servers inside of Discord. Be sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next video.